Well, hello, my pretties. Welcome back to Work of Excellence TV. I thought I would chime in just to introduce the vlog. And today's vlog is really like a weekend in my life. The things that we were into, the things that we were doing. That was a pretty busy weekend, starting from Thursday to Sunday. So don't forget to thumbs up the video. I always say to you guys, it was free. I did all the work, So give me a thumbs up. If you're new, join the family. I call you my pretties, because, everybody is beautiful, no matter what they look like, no matter what size they wear, how tall they are, how short they are. Everybody is beautiful. So I call you my pretties. So I will see you guys and enjoy the video.
They might be Mexican. They look like they might be Mexican. They don't even Indian.
Girl, I hope you do. Only you can save me. My life equals you. Kiss me, drive me crazy. You do it for me.
Sitting in the living room, just singing these songs.
Let me ask y'all a question. Y'all want to see Tommy get down? I said, do y'all want to see Tommy get down? Tommy, you ready? I said, you ready, Tommy? Okay, let's count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Grab your prize.
So tell me, what are you If you're not there, then you're not gonna. Either way, we're just playing the mechanics. So you want to make nice blend that color all the way down. Oh, okay. So make sure. And then you're going to come down the same amount as you did for the red.
Okay.
And please don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to go up with that color back into that red. How it can. So blend that orange in really nicely.
Y'all look at me. How y'all doing? How you doing? Y'all wider than the roof of the brush. Y'all doing y'all sides?
I wasn't, but I think I shall now.
Yeah.
I'll probably do it at the end. I won't go back.
Just start now.
Start now, and
I
then
just started
unless
too.
you have to do it. Unless you're going to get a frame.
Now also remember, so what we're going to do is we're going to take one big scoop of yellow and put it in one of those faint yellow. And you blend it, you know. Everybody say blend. Blend. It doesn't matter.
Make a blending.
Blending.
Blending. Amen. Blend that thing up. Now you're going to mix it up really, really nicely.
Blend that face.
Yeah, our face became.
If you have a more like a bold color yellow, add more white. Add more white. Add more white. Add more white. It should be almost like very, very pale.
The yellow?
Yep.
So
Just
we need
add a
more
tiny bit more white.
white.
Just a tiny bit more white. It should be very, very pale. That's perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. That's perfect. We're going to split the difference of that white area. And we want to make sure that we're blending that yellow into that orange.
Okay.
Like the sky view is going to be dark, it's going to get lighter and lighter as it goes off into the sunset. So keep that in mind where your perspective is, because when you have that in mind, you kind of know where to place things and how you add another line on top of that yellow, just like that, okay? And then you're going to come straight across from dot to dot.
Are you a good instructor? That's why. Yeah.
Just a reference, just look at the screen. Look at the screen really quickly. You'll see how she blended that orange color into that yellow. So now it looks like a faint orange yellow at the top. But she didn't make that line any thicker below it because we're going to add more colors.
Blend it in that yellow. So bring it up
You guys are really good.
like this. Don't
You
be
guys are really
afraid.
good.
Bring it up. She said, "Don't be afraid."
All right, so now
Yeah, and then bring it up and
this
then
is going to
blend
shock
it.
you.
Yeah.
It's going to shock you a lot.
But he wanted to
We're going
make
to change brushes. What? Another brush? Yes, we're going to change brush, and you're going to just do
Bam.
boom. The width of the brush. That's it. So now what you're going to do is you're going to come straight across. Move up with it. Don't go below, go up.
So you can go back and you can add grooves and curves when it's time to. Basically, all you're gonna do is this line is going to be thick. You're gonna have grooves. You're gonna have bumps. You're gonna have everything here. As you get to the middle, start to get at the middle of the canvas, you're gonna thin out your line straight across. Okay? And fill it in. And now you see how I have a little peak to my arms? So now I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'm gonna do a swoop right here.
There you go. There you go. Let's go.
We're gonna take this line straight out. Actually, right? Don't make it small. You want to share that here. The bench is our bench of relaxation. We're gonna create this bench now, okay? So, like such, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're going to start off pretty easy. Go in with the white, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to, right, everybody got that? Yes, you do. I got it? Now remember, do that. And what we're going to do is we're just going to thicken up these branches, okay? And when I say that, I just said, just add a thicker line. And now what you're going to do is just going to sign your painting wherever you like, the top, the bottom.
I'ma test this out right quick on yeah. Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit. Now keep in mind that I'm an artist. Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit.
Save time. I wash my strawberries. Now I want to dry them really, really good. Hey y'all, I'm going to a birthday party tonight at the bowling alley. So I want to do some little things for my friend, help her out with her husband's party. So I have some of these that I had already. I put them together and I bought some brownies and these, and I'm going to put them nicely inside this box. Then I bought the strawberries, and I bought some candy melt. I got pink because I'm going to do some pink ones for the ladies for Mother's Day. And hold on, my chocolate is beeping. And right here, I'm melting my chocolate candy melt already. Just want to stir it up a little bit and then put it back in the microwave. So I have me some of these party picks right here to put at the end. And then I'm going to put them in another one like this. I even bought this. And they got these for the women for Mother's Day treat for tonight. And they're cake pops. So, oh, and then let me not forget. So, these right here is syringe shooters. So, I'm going to make a concoction. I just don't like to do straight shots. I don't like that. So, I'm not going to do that. So, I'm going to mix some vodka and pineapple juice, and then I'm going to fill them up in a syringe, put them back in here, and we can have that. And I bought this. My chocolate is ready. I have this right here that I want to put on his strawberries, and these are sparkling candles. We may use them, we may not use them, or maybe if she have a cake, we'll put them on her cake. So that's what we're doing right now. So stay tuned. So my chocolate is all done. That's all done. I don't want to burn the chocolate, so. Okay, so now we're going to do this one with the strawberry. The pink is for the ladies.
Love interrupted by tragedy.
So I'm gonna open these. And this is quick. I have to do this quick because I gotta do my hair and change my clothes.
Find her place in it all. Focused only on the negative.
Okay, so let me go check my strawberry.
All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze specify you? Did the palm trees sanctify that you'll never find you on the run from yourself? On the run from yourself. Concrete will shape to quicksand. Just when you think you're in control, but you're not alone. Take my hand.
Okay, I did it. Okay, so now we're going to do the drinks. I have some coconut syrup. I have some pineapple juice. And I'm going to mix it in here. Okay, and these are the shots, syringe shots. I washed them, and now they are ready to go. So I'm going to mix the drink first. Babe, can you hand me a spoon? Thank you. Okay, so we are ready. I'm trying to get this camera to where you guys could get a good picture. Now, you may not be able to see me, but it's about the drink. It ain't about me. Okay, so I think I'm going to pour.
Love interrupted by tragedy. Lost in the drought of nightfall.
Let's stop there. Let's mix it.
Trying to find her place. Focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain.
That's good. It's a little strong, but you want it to be a little strong. It's a shot. It's not supposed to be weak. So I think I'm going to just leave it right there. And I'm going to show you how I'm doing it.
Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was
I got it in there. I got it in there. But I'm going to tell you, I'm glad I only have 6 of them. I thought I had 6 and 6, but I bought them so long ago, and it's the first time I'm using them. So we only have 6. So, okay, so I have a dilemma. I got it in this one, but if you hold it over like this to go back in here, it's dripping. So we're going to have to leave it like this. Okay, and then we're going to have to put it in a Ziploc bag. Huh? Yeah. So it was hard.
and I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting
There you go.
Drifting.
So I don't know, these can't go in here. They can't even fit in there. So it's only one of them that is really, really filled, and we'll get that one to the birthday guy. Yeah. So hand me them big Ziploc bags. So this is them all right here. There they go. I need a Ziploc bag. Okay, so I'm going to put these in the Ziploc bag, standing upright. I'm gonna need another one because I want to make sure that these stay standing up.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all. Focused only on
So I'm gonna put a rubber band around these and make sure they stay upward. So I have to get myself together because it's almost time for us to go out the door. I'll give you a cam of everything before I bag it up later.
Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen,
Rebel soul child got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors and I'm blessed, huh? They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened. I like who I am, but I'm biased. Their palette is right, and my drip is a fountain. I'm not like these regular guys. All of that talk is real in my surroundings. They keep it all the way 1,000. I don't know how to ground fish. At the city, I've been browsing. Treading water that they drowning. My head on the swivel, yeah. It's only real in my surroundings. Can't stop, won't stop. Till I told the world when the glow trap. Then a nigga dope at the stove top. Tell me shit they hide in a tube sock. I done skipped town on a new block. But I'm still around, nigga, just not. Better hold it down when the groove drop. Where I kick down for the crowd, a balloon pop. Bet they come around for my moolah. Better run them out of town for they hoopla. Queen, she a hun like Mulan. Everything the hoes what they were, but they just not. They be right up in your face with the fake stop. They be thinking it's a game, but it's just not. They be thinking we the same, but the subpar. You from joy through the mud when the flood stop, pull up. Hey, I feel amazing. Pyramid scheme, how I play the end. Guided. She like the way I make the tape print, but the way I make the words play is grim. I'm the reaper reaching for the kill switch. The label cut the check like the bladesman. Something sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where they prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when no parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they quick with the shape shift. Up through the night, work the grave shift. Batted from the cradle to the grave, bitch. Big mad how they face tense. Look both ways for you catch fade. I'm a nice guy on the inside, still I'm not somebody to be played with.